Is your predictive text giving you trouble on your iPhone? It's a handy feature that makes typing faster, but it can be frustrating when it stops working. Here's how you can fix it easily. Solution 1. Enable predictive text. First, make sure predictive text is turned on. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Tap Keyboard. Ensure that predictive text is toggled on. Test your keyboard in any app to check if predictive text is working. Solution 2. Check keyboard settings. Other keyboard settings might be interfering with predictive text. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap Keyboard. Try disabling and re-enabling the autocorrection setting, as this can sometimes help reset predictive text behavior. Check if predictive text starts working after this. Solution 3. Disable and re-enable third-party keyboards. Sometimes third-party keyboards interfere with predictive text. Open Settings, then tap General. Tap Keyboard, then tap Keyboards. If you're using any third-party keyboards, remove them temporarily to see if predictive text starts working. Test predictive text, and if it works, you may need to adjust or update the third-party keyboard. Solution 4. Update iOS. An outdated version of iOS could cause issues with predictive text. Open Settings and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, restart your iPhone and test predictive text. Solution 5. Reset Keyboard Dictionary. If the keyboard has stored unwanted words, resetting the dictionary may help. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Confirm the reset and test predictive text after. That's how you can fix predictive text on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you in the next video.